Hey, what's up? I'm here with questions on arithmetic progression. So here's the first one. Write an AP whose first term is 10 and the common difference is 3. It is given that first term of an AP is 10 and the common difference is 3. So we have to form an AP. So first term is 10, that is A. Second will be A plus T. ये journal form हम लोग last session में कर चुके हैं. A plus 10, that is 10. Sorry, A plus D, that is 10 plus 3 because D is 3. This will be equals to 13. Third term is A plus 2D. This will be equals to 10 plus 2 into D. And this will become 10 plus 6, 16. Next term will be A plus 3D, that is 10 plus 3 into D, and 3 3s are 9 plus 10 will be 19. So in this way we can form an AP. It will be 10, 13, 16, 19 and so on. So in this way we can form an AP if we are given with the first term and common difference. So now if first term is 4 and common difference is minus of 3, if common difference is in negative, so we can do in same way. First term will be 4 because we are given with the first term as 4. Second term will be A plus D. A plus D will be 4 plus, but D is in negative sign, so we'll take this, which can be changed into 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 will be 1. Next, A plus 2D. That is, we can represent it as this will be D and this is 2D. So which will become 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6 will be minus of 2. Negative terms यहाँ पे consider की जाएंगी. Next term A plus 3D, 4 plus 3D, that is 3 into minus 3. So this will become minus 9. So 4 minus 9, this will be minus of 5. So in this way we can form an AP if we are given with the first term as well as the common difference. So next question will be of the type, if we are given with an AP, we have to find first term as well as its common difference. So question is, for an AP that is 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2 and so on. For this AP we have to find first term as well as its common difference. So first term will be the first one represented, that is A is 3 by 2. Then we have to find common difference for this AP. So common difference के लिए हम लोगों ने journal terms जो की थी, that was A2 minus A1. It can be A3 minus A2. It can be A4 minus A3 and so on. So because ये तो given है already that it is an AP, तो हम कोई भी एक term find करके check कर सकते हैं. A2 minus A1 will be 1 by 2, that is A2, because this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and A4. So A2 minus A1. A2 is 1 by 2 minus A1, that is 3 by 2. So we'll get, because denominator is same, so 1 minus 3, this will be 1 minus 3 will be minus 2 and 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We'll get minus of 1. That means denominator, D, common difference, that will be equals to 1. So for this AP we found the term first and its common difference. अब लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चन से हम लोगों को ये पता चल गया दैट अगर हमें AP फाइंड करनी है, फर्स्ट टर्म कॉमन डिफरेंस होना ज़रूरी है. लाइक अगर फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस होगा तो हम AP फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज अगर हमें AP गिवन हो तो हम उसमें से फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सीक्वेंस दी होगी लाइक 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on, and we have to check that whether this is an AP or not. ये AP है या नहीं, और उसके लिए क्या कंडीशन होगी, इनमें कॉमन डिफरेंस जो है होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स जो डिफरेंस है दैट शुड बी कॉमन, वो कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए, डिफर नहीं करना चाहिए. तो वो हम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, ये सब इक्वल होने चाहिए, कॉमन डिफरेंस तभी बन पाएगा. तो हम इन लोगों की वैल्यूज फाइंड कर लेंगे और चेक कर लेंगे कि वेदर दे आर इक्वल और नॉट. इफ दे आर इक्वल दैट विल फॉर्म एन AP, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट फॉर्म. So first is A2 minus A1, that is A2, A1, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. So 4 minus 2 will be 2, 8 minus 4 will be 4, and 16 minus 8 will be 8. So here common difference is not same, so we can say that this is not an AP. Right? We'll take one more example. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. Again same way. A2 minus A1, minus 6, minus A1. A1 is minus of 10. If AP is in negative sign, तो हमें उसमें नेगेटिव साइंस को बहुत ध्यान से देखना है. नेगेटिव नेगेटिव प्लस, तो सबसे पहले उसको सिंप्लीफाई आराम से करना है, देन कैलकुलेट. 10 इज विद प्लस साइन और 6 जो है वो नेगेटिव साइन का, तो 10 minus 6 विल बी 4. नेक्स्ट A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, A3 is minus 2, A2 is minus 6 and we have to subtract. हमें इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो क्या टर्म होगी, -2 माइनस माइनस प्लस एंड 6. तो 2 is with negative sign, 6 is with positive sign, so 6 minus 2 will be 4. Another A4 minus A3, A4 is 2 minus A3 is minus 2. This will become 2, minus minus plus and 2. 2 plus 2 will be 4. So here the common difference is same, or the difference is constant. So we can say that this forms an AP. We'll take 2 more examples. First is A, 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. So again A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. And the another question is A square, A cube, A4 and so on. So firstly we have to check A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, A3 is 3A minus A2 is 2A, A4 is 4A minus A3 is 3A. So 2A minus A will be A. 2A minus A, how? A is 1A. A को हम 1A लिख सकते हैं. तो 2A minus 2 में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिए तो एक ही A बच गया. 3A में से 2A सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिए तो only 1A is left. 4A minus 3A will be only A. So common difference is same. This will form an AP. And in this case, A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, A square minus A, A3 minus A2, A cube minus A square, A4 या A raised to power 4 minus A cube, So now make sure यहाँ आपकी कैलकुलेशन रॉन्ग ना हो. A square, it is not 2A, it's A square. A square minus A, हम लोग इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. ये स्क्वायर वाली टर्म है, ये सिंपल टर्म है. इसकी डिग्री 2 है और इसकी 1 है. इसकी पावर 2 है, इसकी 1 है. 3 है एंड 2 है. अगर सेम होती सो तभी हम उस केस में ही इसको सॉल्व कर सकते थे. अभी हम सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए जस्ट एक कॉमन ले सकते हैं and we can do nothing else. We'll get with a minus a. Like अगर हम इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करें तो a into a will be a square, a into 1 will be a. Same way इन दोनों में से a square कॉमन आ सकता है. This will be a minus a1. Sorry, a minus 1. इन दोनों में से क्यूब कॉमन आ सकता है and remaining होगा. So this is a into a minus 1, this is a square into a minus 1 and this is a cube into a minus 1. So the common difference is not constant and not same. So this will not form an AP, not an AP. So in this way we can find that whether the given sequence is an AP, is an arithmetic progression or not.
If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for another update of our video.